As the rain rolls through, we've got crews all throughout Southwest Florida tracking the flooding, any blocked roads, any damage so far.
That's right. So let's start in Collier County. Fox 4's Caitlin Knapp continues our team coverage live on Marco Island, where flooding is a constant threat with more than 5 inches already. Caitlin, what are you seeing out there? Looks like the rain is still coming, maybe lit up just a bit.
Well, at first it was really starting to come down, and then it just stopped for a little bit, and then after it started to pick back up, and now just in a matter of seconds, it's starting to sprinkle again, really all over the place. Some roads have been flooding, others haven't. Crews have been putting out signs all across Marco Island saying roadway underwater. So that really gives you an idea of what Marco Island is seeing, because it is prone to flooding. Now, again, Marco Island is no stranger to storms, though it doesn't mean you should let your guard down. This area is under a coastal flood advisory through 11 o'clock Saturday night. In Collier County overall, Emergency Management Director Dan Summers says they've been preparing for the flooding since yesterday, clearing drains of debris and excess water. Summers says they're continuing their mitigation efforts through the weekend.
Of course, there's always that perfect storm where the tide is high and the water's coming down hard. Well, that's just physics. You know, we got to have somewhere for the water to go.
Emergency management and local agencies are also keeping an eye on the roads. If there's at least 6 inches of moving water, that can knock you down. And if you do see barriers blocking roads, do not go around them. You can actually be fined for that. And if you do see, again, those signs that say roadway underwater, just be cautious when you are going through that road. You really can't tell how deep it is, especially when you're driving or even standing next to it. But again, as you can see, the rain has started to lighten up a little bit, but most likely it will ramp right back up again. We'll be out here tracking that weather as it continues to develop. Reporting live on Marco Island, Caitlin Knapp, Fox 4.